Friends, we are coming with the second DNB OSCE course. That's on 24th to 26th of January. It's a 3-day offline course at our Vidya Jeevan Center in Greater Noida. So it's a 3-day very intensive offline course. What do we do this? It is especially for the exam going people. For them, the OSCE carries a very good amount of marks which can be scored. So 3-day program, we'll be talking about 4 sessions in each day, including from the general principles, nerve examination, hand examination, foot and ankle trauma. On day 2, we'll be talking about the clinical examinations and science, important tumors, regarding the orthoscope and the orthoplasty. Okay. On day 3, we'll be covering pediatrics and congenital disorders, infection, spine, orthotics, prosthetics, and gait. Along with this, we will be having a mock exam, and we also have a session how to solve based on your mock exam. We will be explaining how best you should write your keywords to get the marks. Okay, I welcome you all for the second offline DNB OSCE course, which is to be held on 24th to 26th of January, that is this month. Thank you.